Hello everyone, welcome to Job Skills Share. This video that I'm making today is information video, and basically some of the students sent me resumes and some of the skills that after completing the help desk, which is help desk entry level to specialist course, would I be able to do this and that. So I know it's kind of confusing when they go and search for jobs related to help desk, because there's so many different titles, and that's what I did in this course. That the first thing when I went to the course, on the bottom I specified that this course are fully covering all of these titles: desktop support 1 2 3, help desk analyst 1 2 3, customer support specialist 1 2 3, even IT support specialist 1, and could be more, because this course does go to very advanced stuff that entry-level help desk might not be doing it, or they might not have access to do it. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is today, the course, the main format of this course was built on what's going on today. Like these days, when people post a resume, they put all these requirements, and that is basically the main goal of this course, to cover different type of requirements, and most of them are similar. So today what I'm going to do is just do a little demo. What I did, I went online and then I found right now, just like only 20 minutes ago, and I basically typed in help desk, I typed in desktop support, and just went ahead and found some positions, and most of them were similar. You know, the level 1, because this course is kind of teaching people how to get the level 1 job, and then they know after that, like I said many times, that once you are in this industry and this field, and you basically learn in like 6 months or 7 months, you might not even need this course. Maybe you might need it, but yeah, most of the people will figure it out. So what I'm going to do is today I'm just going to go through some resumes right here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to match what's covered in this course. And again, this course is never going to finish. This is always going to get updated. So this is an ongoing course. This is the reason why I tell students, learners, or anyone who wants to join this course to stay in this course as a community member, because you can always learn something whenever we get something new. So here's an example. It says help desk support 1 tech. And then on the bottom it says the help desk support service desk is responsible for tier 1, 2 support for the operating systems, software, hardware, smartphones, printers, and other IT equipment. That enables staff to conduct blah blah blah. It's just basic stuff what we do. And then qualification is the main thing. That's what they check. I mean, when you go to the interview, they will first ask you straight up, do you know any ticketing system, Remedy, ServiceNow, Spiceworks, or something like that, you know. So if you don't know these technologies, and the funny thing is that A+ kind of courses, they are great courses, foundations are great, but they don't show these realistic stuff. They don't show you ticketing systems, they don't show you Active Directory user management, like a real world stuff. So what I did, I created this course to make it very easy for people to understand the nature of this course. So basically, I don't want to spend too much time of explaining stuff, because I already have videos on that. What I'm going to do is just compare some resumes to our course. So it says you need a basic technical troubleshooting skills necessary for this technical assessment application, blah blah blah. So if you go to the course and go to the learning path and read this information, go to the projects certificate or non-project, they are the same, but I prefer projects one. So if you go there, and right now let's go back to that resume, it says basic technical troubleshooting, and we have a skill computer troubleshooting program. So skills for troubleshooting computers, we have a whole, this is basically from outside. So, and then mention, I said that it's from outside source. Then we have Professor Messer, who will basically spend so much time making videos about troubleshooting theories from A to Z. So I really want to thank him for doing this. Then after that we have Microsoft, who got troubleshooting videos from advanced troubleshooting. So it's no point for me making troubleshooting videos when we have such great resources right here. So that's covered right there. me open the right one. And then we have experience with Active Directory, meaning anything with Active Directory, like most of you guys will be working on user management, computer management, group management. So I have created small certificate. Even this course have the Active Directory in there too, but then we have another short course for Active Directory. So if you go back in there and then go to this course, which is Active Directory User Management, these are very short courses. You can finish it in an hour or two. And then when you go to Learning Pad, this is all about Active Directory. So this is what they're asking you when they ask you about the experience in Active Directory. That meaning user accounts, computer accounts, groups, organization units, and this is also going to a little bit advanced stuff, which most of the level 1 won't do it, or don't need it basically. Then after that you have experience with customer service, understanding basic email address, experience with Microsoft Office, understanding of trouble ticketing systems, and that's another short course basically that we have covered in this course right here. So if you go down, this is where it is, help desk ticketing system, and then it basically gives you a lot of videos to practice and learn different type of ticketing systems that are out there. People might question you on that. So if you already know this stuff in advance, you should be in a good shape, because you can talk a lot when you interview. You will have more knowledge, and the people when you basically take these courses, they will know that you know something. It's not just you're coming, you got an A+, and then when you put it on your resume and they start asking you these questions and you have no answer, then there's less chances for you to get that job. Stuff like that. So look, just by looking at this, our course covers a lot more than this. Everything is covered inside these courses, short courses or the big course that we have. So you could definitely get this position done. I mean, it might have experience level in there, but it won't hurt you applying with this certificate, because if somebody see this on your resume, I'm pretty sure they'll give you a chance, and when you start talking about it, you have better chances to land that job. And we have examples. If you go to our site and then click on reviews, we have so many good outcomes. So let me just go there, and when I go click on reviews, and this is where it is. You guys can come over here and just read these reviews. These are not me typing. This is directly connected to Facebook, so you can see how people have benefited from this, even just taking the course, and somebody have gotten like network administrator, system administrator type jobs. I mean, that's just awesome. So other example that I want to show you guys is help desk specialist one. Now that's almost the same thing, but a little bit more. They type a little bit more things in it, like help desk call tracking is the same as help desk ticketing system. Assist customers to identify nature of the problem, the same thing. Troubleshooting customers with various type of, and that's the same thing. Assist IT tier support teams by obtaining and providing appropriate information for escalate. So I mean, you look for things that if you can't solve it, you just get more information and give it to somebody else who will solve it. So basic stuff. There's nothing more. There's not a lot of requirements, but you can see the difference in titles. Help desk level 1, then a specialist 1, and then we have desktops. The same thing, desktop support, daily client interface. I mean, that's something everybody needs to do. Representing an engagement of the clients, supporting the development of additional business. I mean, supporting desktop, laptop users, solve problems. Again, same thing. Resolving problems to customer education thing, same thing. Backups, same thing. Every single thing in this area is covered in our course. So my point is, don't just get confused with these titles. Look for what they're asking. Now if it's something crazy, like one of the help desk position I saw was they required 80 years of experience, and the money was like almost not even average. It was like 45,000 something, and that's something crazy. I don't know who made that resume, but that's just crazy to me. So you just need to don't get discouraged with these titles like analyst, specialist, this, that. They're all the same. Just go for this course, get it done. Once you know the idea, I'm pretty sure when you look at these resumes, you will be in a good shape. You'll be like, oh, I can do almost 100% of this resume. There's nothing stopping me. And we also give you a skills certificate which validate your study over here. So I encourage everybody to just take the course and then try it out, see if it works for you. And there's all other online resources. I try to look for resources online if it can help anybody out there. So, and if you do have any questions, just once you register, you can send me a direct message over here and I'll try to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helps someone out there. I'll be making more videos soon. Thank you.